Well, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how display flex actually work. So, for example, I will create a section where an image will be left side and some text and button will be right side. Exactly same to same. So let's move into Webflow first. As usual, I will take a section now. I will use 60 pixel of padding in this section and make its background to blue for better understand. Not blue, the dark blue. And this time I'm going to take a div block. So click on plus element and take a div. I'll take it inside that section. And I will name it content wrapper. So if we go to Photoshop, we wanted two things. One is image, and in the left side and the right side we wanted some element. So I'll take two more div, Control E for shortcut and search div, and I will name it left side. And I will take another div, Control E and right div, and I will name it right side. Okay, in the left side I wanted to upload an image. So to upload an image in the left side, I have to search image box. So just write image and upload the picture. Well, it looks messy, but don't worry, everything will be fine in the end. And in the right side I wanted to use a heading first, then I wanted to use a paragraph, make its color to white, finally wanted to use a button. Okay, so this is the div where I added all these elements. So if I select this div and make it flex, then magic will happen. Yes, the image and text blocks are totally okay right now, and it looks so messy because it's stuck together. So I can use some gap between them. A 40 pixel gap is enough. Okay, and these contents are not centered, so if I want to make them centered, then this is okay. Now look, that image not took enough space. I want both to take similar space. For that, I will select that left side and I will make it max width 500 pixel and white 100%. In the same way, I will make it 500 pixel and white 100%. Now everything is perfect, but that button, it's not looking good. It took a huge space. To make it correct, we have to go to yes, it's okay now. So I hope you got it how actually display flags work in Webflow, and if you have any confusion you can comment. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really appreciate it then please like and subscribe, and till then stay good and healthy. Tata, goodbye.